Hello, now I will show you how to rate your products what you have purchased. Like look over here in MS Excel, I had written or made a table that is fridge, cooler, AC, tape recorder, washing machine, walkies, and I have put the numberings of for the star. That means to rate. So how will I put the symbols over here? We will have to type equal to then REPT, put a bracket, then a double quote. Now press window colon. You get a dialog box with many icons. Now select the star, then put a double quote again, then comma, then select the adjacent cell. Now put a bracket and press enter. So now you're getting two stars over here because we have rated 2. Now just drag this cell. Now you get all the ratings. Look over here, 3 we get 3 star, 4 stars this way. You can also change the color by selecting the font, and you can put. So it is very easy to rate your products. Thank you.